Easy Ads Shopify tutorial. How to use Easy Ads for Shopify. I'm going to show you how to use Easy Ads for Shopify. First, install the Easy Ads app from the Shopify App Store and connect it to your Meta Business Manager. This lets the app create and optimize ads for Facebook and Instagram automatically. Next, select your campaign goal, whether it's traffic, conversion, or sales. Then define your target audience by choosing location, age, and interests. Easy Ads will generate ad creatives using your store's products and descriptions, but you can customize the text, images, and videos if needed. Once everything is set, launch your campaign and let Easy Ads handle the optimization. The app will adjust budgets, test different ad variations, and focus on what works best. To track performance, go to the Easy Ads dashboard where you'll see insights on clicks, conversions, and ROI.